Welcome to this quick video on cloud computing for 3D modeling. In this video, we'll be discussing how cloud computing has transformed the 3D modeling industry, its benefits, and how it works. Cloud computing has revolutionized the 3D modeling industry in many ways. One of the biggest benefits is increased processing power. With cloud computing, users can access virtual machines with powerful processors and high-speed internet connections, enabling them to run complex 3D modeling software without the need for expensive hardware. Another key benefit of cloud computing is scalability. Cloud computing platforms can easily scale up or down to meet the changing demands of 3D modeling projects. This means users can quickly access the resources they need without having to invest in expensive hardware or infrastructure. Cloud computing is also cost-effective. Users only pay for the resources they use, which can be more affordable than investing in expensive hardware that may only be used occasionally. So, how does cloud computing work in 3D modeling? Essentially, cloud computing allows users to run 3D modeling software on virtual machines that are hosted on remote servers. These virtual machines can be accessed over the internet from anywhere in the world. When a user accesses a virtual machine, they can use it just like they would a physical computer. They can install and run 3D modeling software, access files, and even use specialized hardware such as graphics cards for rendering. There are many cloud computing platforms available for 3D modeling, each with its own strengths and features. Some of the most popular platforms include Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud. These platforms offer a range of services, from virtual machines with dedicated GPUs for rendering to specialized software for 3D modeling and simulation. Let's take a look at a quick demo using Ispeed Solution virtual workstations. First, we'll access a virtual machine on the Ispeed Solution cloud platform. We'll select the appropriate virtual machine with enough processing power to run 3D modeling software. Once we've launched the virtual machine, we'll remotely connect to it using a remote desktop application. Next, we'll install 3D modeling software on the virtual machine and run it remotely. We'll be able to use the software just as we would on a local machine. However, since we have access to much more processing power, now we can render our models much more quickly, saving us time and money. Once we've finished working on our 3D model, we can export it from the virtual machine and download it to our local machine. Conclusion. As you can see, cloud computing has made the process much more efficient and accessible, and has allowed us to take on bigger and more complex projects than ever before. So if you're looking to take your 3D modeling and design to the next level, consider using cloud computing services from Ispeed Solution to give yourself an edge. Thank you for listening to me.